May sasakyan ako.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took
Grabe!
Born to win.
First and the one only here in Bohol.
Born to win. Only time will tell them. Cause I know I prove
At
I'm
the age of
wrong.
5,
I was made
wala na po
to
akong mama.
be a legend. For the kingdom, for the throne. This is
Nag-decide ako magpunta ng Bohol 2 years ago. At the age of 19, wala akong pera. Totoo po yun, sabi ni Coach Lady. 200 pesos lang po yung dala-dala ko that time.
I was born to win.
At ipapalabas ngayon, first electric cars sa online business academy.
Gusto kitang gawin milyonaryo. Zero income pa lang ako. Hindi ko alam paano ko yung makukuha. Hindi ko alam kasi nga 200 pesos lang naman yung dala ko. Even my parents, hindi pa ako sinusuportahan.
I was born to win.
Kaya nga, sobrang grateful ako sa life ni Coach Lady, na mga coaches na nandito right now, Coach Talia.
Only time will tell them. Cause I know I prove
I know
I'm
for sure,
wrong.
pare-parehas po tayo ng napapagdaanan. Pare-parehas po tayo ng nadaanan. And kung pare-parehas yung dinadaanan natin, darating sa tayo, yung resulta na to, is magiging resulta nyo rin. Kita natin ang sarili. Sakyan natin.
Go, let's go!